Guys, ito ang ating pinakaunang content for our work from home solutions series wherein we are going to show you products that can help you or not in your work from home setup. So this is a power station from Tilex at siya yung pinaka-basic na masasabi na nating legit. By that I mean usable at nagagamit naman talaga. Ito yung walang naging hassle sa ating transaction from placing the order to receiving to testing and to finally using the product. Legit kasi it delivers according to my original expectations nung binili ko yung item. Standard yung packaging, walang gasgas ang dumating at naka-on pa nga. 'Di ba? So far, kung ano yung nasa photos, yun naman ang nakuha ko as you can see. It functions by long press. May ilaw, may display, at may AC slot. This is not a full review yet. Sort of quick feedback pa lang ito at initial reaction. So ito yung sample ng LED light. May handle na din at mabigat-bigat din siya. Plastic yung bilog na kulay gray at hindi yan magnetic charging ha, kaya huwag kang mag-expect. Sa ilalim naman, alam nyo na, additional information or yung specs niya. May apat din na non-slip pads, kaya stable siya on a flat surface, hindi madudulas, ganun. Basic lang yung laman ng box, yung mismong device, yung kanyang power cord, at yung user manual. Siyempre, mahalagang basahin natin ang manual dahil dyan nakalagay kung pwede ba sa mga devices natin ito o hindi. So, ang initial feedback natin dito ay excellent dahil walang stress sa transaction. Okay yung product, WYSIWYG pa nga. Sobrang cute itong white variant, parang speaker lang. Wala ding maski anong gasgas. So good job Tilex for another successful transaction. And for you guys, thanks for watching and see you in our full review.